श्री सच्चिदानंद सद्गुरु साईनाथ महाराज की जय. Dear friends, now I am commencing chapter 87 of Sai Baba's Satcharitra. Baba cautioned Bala Saheb Mirkar of impending danger at village Chitali. Bala Saheb Mirkar was the Mamaltadar of Kopargam village. He was going on a tour to Chitali on official duty. On his way, he came to Shirdi to see Sai Baba. He went to Masjid and prostrated before Baba. Baba sounded, "Do you know our Dwarka Mai? This is our Dwarka Mai, where you are sitting. She wards off all dangers and anxieties of the children who sit on her lap. The Masjid Mai, presiding deity of Dwarka Mai Mosque, is very merciful. She is the mother of simple devotees. When she will save from impending dangers, Baba gave him Udi and placed his protecting hand on Mirkar's head and told him, "Do you know the Lamba Baba, long gentleman, by putting his hands like serpent?" Baba said, "He is terrible, but what can he do to the children of Dwarka Mai when all merciful presiding deity is protecting her children? What the serpent can do to the children of Dwarka Mai?" All who were present there do not understand what Baba is telling, referring to Mirkar. No one has courage to ask Baba. Then Mirkar saluted Baba and left the mosque. Baba called Shama and asked him to accompany Mirkar and enjoy Chitali trip. Shama came to Mirkar and informed him that Baba wanted him to go along with you. Mirkar replied he need not come as it would be inconvenient. Shama returned to Baba and told him what Mirkar said to him. Baba said, "All right, do not go. We should mean well, do well. Whatever destined to happen will happen. We do not know what happened to Mirkar." He again came to Shama and asked him to accompany him. Then Shama went to Baba and after taking Baba's permission, started with Mirkar in a tanga. They reached Chitali at 9 p.m. and camped at Maruti temple. The office people had not come. They sit in the temple talking to each other. Mirkar was sitting on a mat reading a newspaper. His upper dhoti was covering his waist and on it a snake was there, not seen by Mirkar. It is hissing. The peon heard the sound. He brought a lantern and raised an alarm, "Serpent, serpent." Mirkar and Shama got afraid. Others brought sticks. The snake moved away from Mirkar's chest and it was done to death. Thus Baba prophesied and the danger was averted. Bala Saheb's love for Baba was deeply confirmed. This is the end of chapter 87. Om Sai Sri Sai Jai Jai Sai.